So, what is Charles' law? Charles' law is basically a relationship between the volume and the temperature of a dry gas and how they are related. Charles' law states that if the pressure is constant and if you increase the temperature of a dry gas, imagine the dry gas is at 0 degrees C, and if you increase it to 1 degree C, then the volume of the gas will be increased by its 1 by 273 of its volume. And if you decrease the temperature by 1 degree, then the volume of the gas will be decreased by 1 by 273 of its volume. So in short, Charles' law states that volume and temperature both are directly proportional. Basically, when the pressure is constant, that means if you increase the temperature, the volume of the gas will increase, and if you decrease the temperature, it will happen vice versa. Now, where are this Charles' law used? This Charles' law is used basically in hot air balloons, where the hot air is filled in the balloon so that it rises up because the volume increases. Secondly, in the freezing state, when food is frozen food. So basically the temperature decreases, so the volume of the gas is decreased to such an extent that there's a vacuum which basically slows the production of bacteria or any harmful substances.